to Jingle Ball.
Jingle Ball.
2010.
All I know is that it was freezing, and we're very, very excited. It's my second Jingle Ball, and I'm dressed like a genie right now. My genie pants in a bottle.
She's not.
I'm a genie in a bottle.
This is the pre-show video warm-up.
Are you gonna freestyle for us, Greg? Can you freestyle like
Where's the
on
beat
the...
man? Where's the beat man at?
Alright, what kind of groove are we going for? There we go.
Jingle balls, jingle balls, jingle all the way. We're gonna go on stage and we are gonna play. Getting gangster with it as I use my tie as a mic. You don't even know how I fly like MJ on the freeway. Slam dunk little kids all day when they... I don't slam dunk little kids, but I have had imaginations of me doing that. Landing in a safe place, like a Selena Gomez concert. So I want to slam dunk kids and to having a good time.
Is this still part of the freestyle?
Yeah, the beat stopped.
Alright. I think I'm strike 2 on my freestyling privilege.
I think you are.